Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. In this video, we are going to start talking about strings. So strings is a feature, and in my opinion, one of the best features they introduced in Java, starting with Java 8. And basically, strings is just a sequence of elements. We have been working with collections, and collections is the most used API in the entire Java ecosystem. And basically, strings will work with the collections in a sequence. We get a sequence of these elements, and through this sequence of elements, you can do operations over it. It's pretty similar to what we can do with databases. So, for example, sometimes you are searching for data, you are filtering, you are limiting, and everything that we usually do in database now can be easily done in Java. So to just represent what I'm trying to say, let's imagine that we have the following problem. Imagine you have well, let's create here a class called light novel, and you have title and prices. And let's say that you have to order by title, and then I want you to retrieve the first 3 titles that have the price lower than 4 euros, $4. The price must be lower than 4, only the title. So let's see how we do that without strings, and let's see how we do that with strings later. So let's create a new package. We are at ZZE, package ZZE streams dot domain. Let's create a Java class. Out insert Java class light novel. Okay, we are going to use two attributes, and we are going to do the same thing as we did before. First, we are going to create a constructor, and then the getters. So private string title, private double price, constructor with everything, out insert, and then constructor, out insert, and then getter, not getter and setter, and out insert to string. Cool. Now let's go back to our package, and let's create here another package called test. Remove domain, test, out insert Java class, string test 01. So we are going to need some data for our test. So I will create here a list of light novel. We can make this list private and static. Light novel. If you're not sure what light novel is, it's basically a book that usually gives birth to animes. List.off, and I will press enter, and I will add the semicolon here, and now I will create new objects, new light novel. Let's give some names and say price 8.99, comma 1 2 3 4 5 6. So since we're working with collections, we do need some data. So this one will be 399. This one will be 599. This one will be 299. This is a classic. We already have 599, so let's give 699. This one, let's give 1.99, and this one, let's say this is exactly 4. So what I want you to do, let's put some requirements here. First, I would like you to order by title, and then I would like you to retrieve the first 3 titles with price less than 4. Okay, so let's do in the old way. First, we need to sort. So light novel, actually light novels dot sort. This is going to for exception. Let's add this to a new array list. There you go. Let's use comparator.comparing. Basically, we just give the attribute that we would like to use. In this case, I would like to do the title. So basically, light novel and then method reference get title. Let's check it out. Ctrl Shift F10 and F K M. Yeah, looks like everything is sorted by title. So the first requirement is done. Now we need to go to the second one. So basically we need to iterate over them. So let's call light novels, press Alt Enter, iterate, and then I need to store the titles, right? So let's create here a list of string. Let's call this list of string titles, new array list. Okay, now the business logic. If the object light novel dot get price is lower or equals, or I want to titles dot add who the light novel dot get title. Okay, so we have the first part, actually 3 titles, and we need to figure out now how we can stop. Basically, if the titles dot size is greater or equals 3, I want to just break the loop. Let's check it out. Let's call title. Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, so it looks like Kumo desu ga is 199, Monogatari, no game, no life. For no game, no life, 299. Everything else, it's bigger than 3, so Overlord is not included, and the rest is more expensive. Okay, so basically we have all the requirements done, but as you can see, we have a very structured code. Now, what we are going to do in the next video is try to have a more functional approach, a more declarative through the use of streams. So let's see how we can do it in the next video. Bye.